G Squad, welcome back to the channel. So y'all, as you can see, I am in the car. Yes, I'm in the car. So your girl forgot to record an intro for this video, so I figured, you know what, while I'm sitting here in the car, you know, waiting, let me just go ahead and do it now. So here we are. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm showing you how I made this delicious protein pack bowl. Okay, it was chef kisses. Okay, and I also want to take the time out to thank my new subscribers. You know, welcome to the family. You know, really appreciate you. Thank you for joining. Of course, I have to thank my OGs, you know, for hanging in there with me. I really appreciate it. And for those of you who have visited my channel a couple times already, and you're still on the fence on whether or not you should hit that subscribe button, well, I hope this video and my charming personality convinces you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, okay? It's free 99, no credit check, instant approval, and boom, you're part of the family. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to get out of the way, get on with this video, and I'll see you on the next one. I appreciate you all. Stay blessed, stay well, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah.